Welcome fellas into this new video of TechExpress. Today let's talk a little bit more about Klaviyo. So if you're running an e-commerce store and you're just blasting the emails, you are leaving 40% of your revenue on the actual table. So today we're going to be talking a little bit more about the actual Klaviyo, which is the mailer light that you can implement directly into your social media. So Klaviyo isn't just about sending emails, it's about using the AI, for example, to send the right message to the right person and the exact second where they're likely to buy. So I'm going to be showing you how to integrate your store, use the new AI segment builder, and set up 3 money maker flows that every store needs. So the first step is to make the integration of this element directly into the store. For this particular tutorial, I'm going to be using Shopify. So I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to focus for my Shopify, and I'm going to sign in directly inside here. I'm going to focus into add applications. Let's go and scroll all the way here where it says Klaviyo. If you don't find Klaviyo, what you can do is to go directly into the Shopify App Store. By accessing here, you just click here where it says discover more in the Shopify App Store. Click directly in here, and it's going to be sending me directly inside here. And to the upper side, just click into the option that says Klaviyo, and you can see that this one is free to install, based in the United States, has a strong rating, and the developer is exactly Klaviyo. So I go for the option that says install and hit for continue. I'm going to close this element now. I hit for the option that says install, and we are now inside that element. And how do I want to use Klaviyo? Usually what I do is to focus into email and WhatsApp. Hit for continue, and usually with this we'll be sending us directly into the onboard section. I'm going to stick around with the free version. I kept my current free element, and now I wanted to focus into the left part of my element and go for my region account. Now, the AI brand element has a really strong solution that can be helping you to personalize your own elements without having to make sure you have the right colors, make sure you have a profile picture, and with that element you can start by making your own brand. I'm going to hit for the verification code of this really quickly. I just copy and I just paste it. I hit for the logged in, and directly in here I wanted to focus for my personal section. So you import your last name directly into the organization. You can change out the contact information. Here I just entered like some random info, but you wanted to enter the information of your own account. And then what I can do is to get started with the AI segment builder. So I just type a sentence into Klaviyo where it says campaigns, build my own campaign name. Let's say for example this is just a trial. Number 1, I go for a signal challenge. This would be only for email, for example. And focused for campaign tags, you can focus for email. Next, it's going to be asking us to make the segmentations for our audience. For this, I wanted to focus for send this one to a specific list that you have already been generated, where you can create your own. Let's go for my email list. I turn on this mod sending. There will not be sending profiles to receive a message from myself in the past 16 hours. So tracking, include the tracking parameters, and you can enable the customized tracking parameters with these elements of the source, medium, campaign ID, or the term. In my case, I'm going to just stick around with this element. Head for next. And now directly inside this is the element where I can start with my custom template. My subject line, let's say for example, welcome, evolved. Preview text, let's say hello, new subscriber. The sender email, myself should be the sender email, and you can ask to generate the actual brand voice settings. This is for example for at least 10 emails, or customize it directly into the settings. In my case I won't do this at the moment. I'm going to focus for the one that says create, and just like that I am now directly into the editor of my elements here. So you have the pre-built, here's the universal, and you can set it up the money makers. So there's flows, for example, are the automations that you can set them once, and the welcome series for making first impressions. So the email editor, usually what you wanted to do is to hit into the option that says styles. You can change the template background For example, let's say that our color is something like this. You can stick around with this specific color. The content background, for example, I can do exactly the same color like this. And content color, you can go for audio, and you can add from left to right, right to left. You can hit directly into the display. This is how it should be looking into the desktop, and this is how it should be looking into the mobile. So you can even draft with the AI, but this is, for example, only for other subscribers or a type of subscribers. So what you need to do is just go directly into the different section that you would like to add. For example, an image, just drag it and drop, and here you can actually use this element for making an image. Let's say, for example, a woman carrying a phone and smiling on a bright room background. And here the artificial intelligence should be doing some kind of work there, and I can use that image to implement that directly into my email marketing section. So as you can see, hit for the option that says confirm. I think this kind of actually works for me. And go back, go for my actual text, and here I just click directly into my text box. You can double click, let's say welcome aboard. And basically what you need to do is to just focus into the customization of your elements here. You can change the titles, you can change all of the element, and once you are done, what you can do now is to focus into the upper right corner that says preview and test. So when you check out how it actually going to be looking here, just focus directly into the right section that says mobile, and you can start with something else. Here's, for example, the total size, send a preview using a profile, and I hit for the option that says done. When you finish this, you hit for next, you create the next once again, and you can start by following the email with who making the actual recipient, the smart sending, and now I focus for the message. My content, for example, I have generated a variation, but I needed, of course, to have logs to pre-track requires and a hit for schedule or send. You can schedule this specific mail, or you can send them directly now. In my case, I usually go for schedule to send this, for example, in a strategic element. For example, let's say they're going to be sending this tomorrow at when everybody goes to lunch, which is 2 p.m. for example, and I go for the schedule, the actual message, and I am actually good to go. My campaign is now being scheduled. I can hit for the option that says return to my campaigns, and basically that will be actually it. So don't guess when you said you can enable the personalized send time, and you can check the revenue attribution, because Klaviyo shows you exactly how much money each individual email earning down to the actual send. As I just told you, the Flows actually does a really great work when it comes to generating your brand and welcoming, promote to the social medias, and showcase your best selling products. So Klaviyo is free to start. Once you hit 250 profile, it's about $20 a month, I believe. So an investment that usually pays for itself in one successful flow, of course. So you want my top 5k AI prompt for high converting emails, you can comment flows below, and I can be focusing to brand new tutorials like this. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys into this next video. See you soon.